Hello, my name is Tom Brumbaugh. I'm a product marketing manager here at Renaissance Technology. Thank you for coming out to DevCon. I'm responsible for the M16C product family as well as the CAN segment. So today we have a few demos, actually three, that are highlighting the M16C family as well as CAN. Our first one demonstrates the R32C FPU. Now the R32C is our newest member of the M16C family and incorporates an onboard floating point unit. So the two images that you see here are actually being drawn by the exact same R32C 111 board, except that on the left here we're using the FPU, and on the right here we're using no FPU, which means software-driven floating point math. So what this demo proves to people is that if you're doing a highly intensive floating point function or application, for example for medical or industrial automation, you can see that the R32C is the best product for your use. And even if you have an application that requires some floating point, if you need to do it in real time, R32C obviously is the right part for you. Now, if we migrate down to the next demo here, this is actually highlighting our M16C 16-bit product family. We have the M16C 62P, which is the most successful 16-bit processor in the world. And we have our next generation, M16C 65. Now the 65 is actually completely pin compatible with the previous 62P. What this means is that customers who have already made the investment into the 62P can have a drop-in replacement using the 65 that gives 25% more performance, or up to 32 megahertz of operation, can incorporate more flash, more SRAM, up to 768K flash and 47K of SRAM, as well as all the additional features, including the capability of 8 serial interfaces. These 8 serial interfaces can do I2C, UARTs, SPI, etc. Now, moving down to the third demo in the M16C family, we actually highlight one of our solutions. So this is not specific to a single part, but it's more of a solution cell based on our Candy Kit or CAN developers. In the side of this box, we highlight 4 of our M16C families: R8C, M16C29, M16C CAN, and the M32C, all of which are hooked together via CAN using our same standard API family. So what this means is that a piece of code that's been written using the API to run on the R8C can run on any of these 4 devices and communicate. What we also highlight, showing on this laptop, is that inside of our Candy Kit we include a sniffer or a bus analyzer. What this means is with one single demo kit you can develop and test for a real-world application with a single device. And as you can see, as I turn this, sniffer is basically showing which CAN channel it's communicating, what the value is that's being communicated, how long it took, etc. So thank you very much for joining me, and hopefully you'll find use for the M16C family.